Hey, what's up guys? All right, so in this video lesson, we're going to be taking a look at the PFH and PFL flashing numbers here, right? So far we've covered almost every aspect of the software. We've covered the signals, we've covered how to take the FSB, we've basically covered it all. Last but not least is really these gold flashing numbers. I've had many inquiries about making a video on this, so let's get right into it, guys. So here we have USD Swiss franc on the charts, and as you can see, now this is the best way to kind of put this. Whenever the numbers start flashing, it simply just means that the pair has already it's already been trending for quite some time, and our proprietary algorithm will actually detect that when a pair reaches a certain number, which is the magic number 3, ADR, average daily range, that's kind of, so every pair has its own ADR, right? There's not one set ADR, okay? So for example, the ADR on USD Swiss franc is going to be much less than the ADR on, USD TRY or USD CZK. Or USD MXN, right? Because those are extremely volatile pairs, or pound Japanese yen. Okay, so basically, whenever the pair comes to, and it only starts flashing when, so for example, if it's in this case, let's say pound Japanese, GBP AUD, right? Now, when it's already in PFL, when it's already green and it's bullish, right? Only when the PFL number goes 3 or above is when it starts flashing. Now, if PFH were to be at 3 or more, nothing would happen. It would not flash, and it would not flash because it's the current trend is bullish, PFL. So only PFL, only the same as the current signal, when it goes 3 or above, can it actually start flashing, right? So in this case, it's 3.64, which means that we've gone 3.64 ADR away from the PFL signal, and it just simply means that, hey, keep an eye on this pair. Eventually, it's gonna come to an exhaustion point, and it's going to actually make a correction, and it's going to switch from a bullish to a bearish trend. Now, in this case, yesterday, USD Swiss franc was in the PFL, right? It was at 9 PFL yesterday, okay? But that means that the PFL was blinking because it was PFL and it was above 3, matching the signal. And what that told us was, hey, watch out, because USD Swiss franc already went to the upside more than 3 ADR. Because of how the markets move in our algorithm, it was telling you, hey, watch for reversal this week. There's going to be reversal. Now, what do you know? USD Swiss franc, we got the reversal, and now we're in a brand new bearish trend, PFH. Now, of course, you see 3.25 on PFL, but it's not flashing because the signal is PFH now. So let's come here. NZD USD, we have the PFH flashing. It simply just means that the pair has gone from here. The pair has already gone down 200, and right now, currently as we stand it, 230 pips. Okay, so if you take that number and you divide it by 3, then that's what is that? That's like what's the ADR? Like 70, 85 pips is 1 ADR. So the pair is moving roughly about 70 pips a day, right? I don't want to get too much into it because then you're just I'm trying to make it simple with the two-step system, right? Follow the trend detection signals on here, PFH, PFL. Go to your trading view, open up the FSB signals indicator, and take the signals according to the trend. But I know, obviously, these numbers are right in your face. You want to know what they at least mean, right? So Let's go to Australian, same thing, PFH. From here, we have gone down 3.59 ADR, so we've gone down 330 pips. It's just telling you, hey, be careful, continue shorting this pair. You can still short it, but hey, here's a heads up. The Aussie might do a reversal and it might start a brand new bullish trend, PFL. Just like USD Swiss franc did right in front of our face. Pound USD, obviously same thing here. Nothing here on the PFH. Euro USD, we actually did have it blinking. So yesterday it was blinking. Now remember, these PFH and PFL numbers are interchanging. Every minute they actually change values. So if every minute they change values, yesterday Euro USD was actually blinking. Now you can monitor this. It was blinking and it was telling us, hey, we've already gone down from the PFH, from the bearish anchor point. We've already gone down a good 270 pips, 260 pips. PF8, it started blinking. It was telling us, hey, we've gone down a lot. You should start expecting a reversal and start changing your medium-term trend bias, right? Gold, obviously we're at 5, which is it's a lot actually. You're not going to see really higher numbers than 5. It's pretty extreme. It just means, it makes sense. From here, what is this, like almost 1,000 pips and more than 1,000 pips, right? 1,500 pips, guys. And we still have yet to see any type of signs of bullish reversal. So you continue to short gold, right, in line with the FSB signal, but it's just an indicator, guys, that soon we're going to see something to the upside. Obviously, with the USD being the second denomination in the pair, Euro USD, Pound USD, they've already made that move to the upside. USD Swiss franc made the move to the downside. So we're expecting gold to possibly have a lagging effect and basically start a new bullish trend PFL, right? So that's really it, guys, about the flashing. It's just an indication. But back in the day, I was really using this, I was using this actually predicting just market reversals before they ever happened. I'm not that type of trader anymore. I'm a scalper, 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. I don't predict anymore. I don't believe in predicting markets. I really hate when people do analysis where they show a screenshot and they kind of will make some squiggly lines and say, I expect on the 4-hour chart that price is going to come here, it's going to do this, and it's going to go there. That's absolutely bullshit, right? The best way is every day is a different day. You come to the charts, 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, and you look for those market structure trades. You look for those consistent patterns on the lower time frame, mitigate risk in and out of the markets. That's the best way to do it. It works for me. I'm not shitting on swing traders, right? But I'm just talking from been doing this for quite a while, so I'm just talking from what I know. Let's see. I think we're about done here, guys, on the flashing numbers. But hopefully you guys get an idea. If you click on this eye icon up here in the top right-hand corner, you'll see that we're actually going to, if the platform would actually load. So you can actually see that it tells you right here, guys. Flashing means the current market trend has reached 3.0 ADR, average daily range or more. Typical trends based on the analysis of our algorithms will last for 3 ADR before reversing the trend direction. This data will help you understand market trend behavior, which is absolutely correct. And if you do want to know the exact ADR of a pair, you can find that online. I mean, there's plenty of calculators or indicators. I can just take off the top of my mind, USD Japanese yen probably now has like a 70 ADR, right? 70 pips day range. Pound pairs are usually 100 or more. Yen pairs, you're getting up there 80, 90s. Gold is definitely, 100, 200 pips a day. etc., guys. So hopefully that made sense. Let me know some feedback on this video, and can make some more. I know you guys wanted this video on stop loss and take profits. It's a touchy subject just because it's really all about risk to reward. It's about every trader manages their risk differently. So it's really something that you really have to master yourself. But that's that for now, guys. Thanks.